Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate insane AI art for beginners. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to discord.com. Create an account if you don't have one. After that, go to the www.discord.gg/midjourney. Confirm the invite and join the Midjourney Discord server. To begin, just type /imagine, then input the words or details of how you want your image to appear. At the end of the prompt, add /version4 and /AR or the ratio you want. Remember that U is for upscale, the resolution, and V is for more versions. On the bot's message, react with an email emoji to receive a DM of your created image. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.